Welcome to this short and simple tutorial. Today we'll take a quick tour of Blender's interface to help you get started fast. General overview. When you open Blender, you'll see a default scene with a cube, a light, and a camera. But don't worry, let's break it down step by step. The top bar main menus and quick settings. At the top we have the main menu. Here you can create new projects, save files, or change Blender's preferences. On the left, the Layout tab lets you switch between modeling, sculpting, animation, and more. The 3D viewport navigating the space. This is where all the magic happens. To move around, use the middle mouse button to rotate, Shift plus middle mouse to pan, and scroll to zoom in and out. The side panels, tools, and properties. On the left, we have the tool shelf, where you'll find tools for modeling, sculpting, and more. On the right, the Properties panel lets you adjust objects, materials, and render settings. Outliner and Timeline organizing your scene. The Outliner top right lists everything in your scene, like objects, lights, and cameras. Below, the Timeline is used for animation and keyframes. Quick shortcuts to work faster. Here are some essential shortcuts. G to move objects, S to scale, R to rotate, X, Y, Z to lock movements on an axis. That's it for this quick introduction. Now you know how to navigate Blender's interface. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. See you next time.